Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use market replay on NinjaTrader 8. So what you'll need to do is go to the connections right here, click on playback, then you'll need to get market replay data. So select your instrument. So for example, let's say I want to now choose a Bitcoin, select a date. So let's say we select September 15 of 2025. Now click on download. This will load a data, and as you can see, it doesn't right now have, so let's go with this one. And our data now is loaded. Click continue, click on new, go to the charts, select your instrument as we did, and click OK. And your instrument should be right here on this graph, and as you can see, our chart is now created. And now you can use market replay with this and see how market was going up or down. So that's pretty much it guys for this video. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to this channel and comment down below for the algorithm. See you in the next one.